when you do a microgrid, you talk about the design, the construction of the project, but you are becoming an energy supplier now, and you own that relationship with the community for, the lifetime of this project, which could be 25, 30 years and ongoing. And as a manufacturer, it's our responsibility not just to supply a product that you can use to enable this project, but also to provide all the value-add services, our field application engineering support, our customer service, all the documentation packages that our developers need, safety-wise, staying on top of all the certifications and regulatory so that your projects remain safe and compliant through their life. That is the value add that we provide on that front.